So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin kabola, ito nga pong mga nangyayari po kabola dito po sa finals ng 2024 PBA Commissioner's Cup kabola. Isa pong mainit-init po na trade rumor. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, baka pindot naman po yung subscription button. Unahin na po natin kabola yung mismong trade rumor, of course posted po by the king of trade rumors ng PBA. Walang iba po guys, and this is no bad. Sabi po ng post is no, one player wants to leave current team. The problem, his ball club will now be strict when it comes to releasing players. Stuck ka dun ngayon, boy, kabola. So ito naman is nadalian lang po silang i-dissect kasi nga yung word po na ginamit is yung stuck. Actually naka big letter pa nga po yung S, kabola. So stuck, that is one of the syllable of the surname of Alex Stockton kabola ng Converge, and of course Converge din po kabola. Yan din po yung team na pwede mong isipin dun sa una pong part nitong post po na ito kabola, na strict when it comes to releasing player, diba? Of course, we just saw Converge release a lot of their top players last year kabola, diba? Ito pong si Jeronteng na champion na po ngayon kabola, at of course si Maverick Anisi. So with that, this is really pointing to Alex Stockton kabola. Now si Alex Stockton nga po kabola, actually marami daw po interesado dito around several teams kabola, di ba? Yan po ang binulgar ng hari nga po ng trade rumors sa si Snow Bado kabola. And of course, understandable naman kung bakit po maraming may gusto dito. This guy is a big point guard in a way, di ba? 6'2", 6'3" to kabola, and he can really handle the ball. And yung defense niya talaga is also very good, di ba? He can be your lockdown defender sa perimeter kabola. Now itong si Alex Stockton kabola, medyo nakakapagtaka din kung bakit biglang gusto na po niyang magkaroon po or malipat po sa ibang team kabola, knowing nga po that he is actually developing very well dito nga po sa Converge kabola. Pero yun nga, siguro may something na nangyari inside or meron po siyang hindi nagustuhan siguro kabola. Pero overall, this is an interesting development sa team po ng Converge, and of course we hope that they can maintain their current stand, kasi tama nga naman, wag po na sila na madali lang po na mag-release po ng player kabola, kasi nga yung pagkawala po talaga ni si Jeronteng, ni Maverick Anisi, naging isang malaki pong dagok sa kanila kabola, wherein they could have just asked kabola for at least a pick, diba? And they can still have tank kabola. Now ito na nga po kabola, nanalo na po ng championship ito pong San Miguel Beermen. It was a come from behind victory dito po sa Game 6 na kanila pong final series with the Magnolia Hatchets kabola. So I think San Miguel Beermen deserved that championship. Magnolia gave them a good fight. Benny both tried. Yung monster import po na almost undefeated in almost 10 games kabola is natalo din nila, and nalimit nila kabola ng maayos, no? Pero yun nga, pinakita lang talaga din ng San Miguel Beermen na sobrang lalim po ng kanilang team. They have a lot or plenty of star power. Pero ang kagandahan dito, CJ Perez kabola, the finals MVP, the best player of the conference, talaga din namang nagpakitang gilas, di ba? And take note, Junmar Pajardo is there, pero itong si CJ Perez talaga din, ipinakita niya kabola that he deserves the award, the BPC, as he was actually the most consistent player na local kabola ng San Miguel in this series against Magnolia. Overall, he ended up averaging 16.9 points, shooting 44% from the field, 24% from beyond the arc, 3.6 assists, 6 rebounds, 2.3 steals kabola. So, makakandaan talaga dito kay CJ Perez, yung depensa niya hindi rin talaga nagpapahuli kabola. Now Magnolia is now on the hot seat, di ba? They are especially an intro boys kabola, di ba? Sa mata ng marami pong fans, kasi they are failing to really get that championship kabola. Sobrang ilang beses na po sila nakaabot po ng finals, hindi po nila makuha kabola. So ano nang kailangan nilang gawin, di ba? Marami pang sabi na fans is it's time for them to replace Coach Victolero. Sa akin naman, I think they should at least give him another shot wherein they will trade for a high quality player. I mean a star level player kabola, kasi they never did that under the time po ni Coach Chito. Pakiramdaman muna nila sa kanya po yung kabola, yung trade na yan kabola. Tingnan natin kung talagang hindi po kakayanin ulit ni Coach Chito kabola to lead them to a championship. Kabakabal, sa palagi mo, panahon na ba para palitan po si Coach Chito? Comment na po sa baba.